back to my channel, Miss Mind Blush. My name is Muskan. For all you guys who are new here, for all you guys who are back to my channel, welcome back. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Now, if you guys are going to ask me why is my voice different, that's because I have a little bit of cough, but nothing is gonna stop me from making a video for you guys. That's what I'm doing. This is another review. So today I'm reviewing the Biolage Professional 6-in-1 Serum. It's called the Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum, and it smooths and controls frizzy hair. And I just want to give you a disclaimer that I haven't heat styled my hair today. I just washed my hair, applied this serum right after I washed my hair, and like blow dried it a little bit with the hair dryer on cool setting. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. And normally my hair is very frizzy, but I decided to try something new because I've recently been like studying a lot about hair care, and I'm starting to get a little more interested in hair care. So I thought of trying something new. And I actually spoke about this on my stories as well, that I started using a new shampoo and I've been really enjoying it, and I'm about to make a video on it. So yeah, I've actually been using this Biolage Smooth Proof Camellia Smoothing Shampoo with the Smooth Proof Conditioner, and I've really been liking these, and I've also been loving the serum. Now this serum is a 6-in-1 serum, and why is it a 6-in-1 serum is because it controls frizz, it smoothens rough ends, protects hair from humidity, adds instant shine, nourishes dry hair, instantly detangles, and protects hair from humidity. So all of these things I need, my hair needs. My hair is really thin. You guys know that about me. My hair is thin. It breaks really easily. Like whenever I brush my hair, it does not come out from my roots, but definitely has more breakage towards the end, because that is where most of the chemicals are, most of the colors are. So I always need to take like extra care of my mid-length or ends, so that my hair don't break as much, or like they don't get frizzy a lot, they don't get fried or with the heat styling tools, and they don't get dried. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have to like take care of my ends and my mid hair length a lot, which is where this serum comes into the picture. So I usually like to apply it right after my shampoo on damp hair, but I also like to apply this on dry hair whenever my hair starts feeling dry. So I'm quickly going to show you the texture, and then I'm going to show you how I like to apply it on my dry hair. So I'm just going to show you the texture. This is a very smooth, very lightweight serum. I'm just going to apply it on the back of my hand. This is a very smooth, non-oily, non-greasy serum. You guys can see that it is very soft and smooth, but it does not feel greasy at all. Like you guys can see this. It is not at all greasy. It is not at all sticky. Just the right amount of nourishment, and it smells amazing. It smells like a newly opened salon, and I love it. So now I'm going to show you how I like to apply it on my dry hair. I basically like to take 2 to 3 drops. That's enough for my thin hair, but you'll need more if you have thick hair. I just like to rub it between my palms and apply it on my hair, and I have to concentrate more on the ends and the mid length of my hair, because that is where most of the damage is. And yeah, you guys can see, and whatever I have left on my palm, I just like to apply it, like slightly touch my hair with it, so that all my baby hair and frizzy hair settle down and look well behaved. And this is what my hair looks like right after I apply the serum on dry hair. Detangling my hair has never been easier. Like the brush just goes through my hair without any issues. My hair does not break as much. This serum has a blend of avocado, grapeseed oil, and some frizz controlling polymers, which is great. I've actually been noticing a lot of difference when I brush my hair. A lot of hair doesn't fall, like a lot of hair does not break, and that is a major point here. And even the shampoo and the conditioner have been working really great. Because like with other smoothing / nourishing shampoos and conditioner, what happens is my hair becomes really sticky and it does not look fresh. But with this shampoo, my hair looks fresh for like 3 days, and I don't have to wash my hair as much. Like it does not look oily, but it looks just healthy, pretty hair. And yeah, I think it's a great affordable range of products, and it retails for, I'm just going to give you the prices. This is the shampoo, and this is the 400 ml bottle, which retails for 400 rupees. The 100 ml bottle of the serum retails for 380 rupees, and the conditioner, which has 196 grams, retails for 335 rupees. And I think this is a great range. It's affordable, it's very nice, smells amazing, is very lightweight, plus you don't need a lot, so this is going to last you a very long time. This is not glass, you can travel with it, and there will be no problems. And yeah, it's a pretty bottle, it's a pretty serum, and I've really been enjoying what I have been seeing on my hair, and I hope you guys do too. All the purchase links will be in the description box below, so please check it out, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. But please subscribe to my channel, and I love you. Please like this video, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.